A lot of people talk about how young people don't know a lot about money. Well, joining us now is a young man who's out to change the world. Thanks for coming on the show.
Oh, well, thanks for having me, Angela.
So Miles Gage is 24 years old, and you created or co-created Rapunzl Investments.
I did.
What are you doing with that?
So Rapunzl Investments is a simulated trading app that allows users to create simulated stock portfolios in the sense that we give each user 10,000 fictional dollars to buy and sell stocks that are trading in real time. And so it's geared towards individuals that are curious about the world of investing, but A, don't know where to begin, or B, apprehensive about putting actual money in the market.
Are you mostly dealing with high school students or what age groups?
So we're currently dealing with high school students. This past April, we actually partnered with the Federal Reserve Bank of Chicago, and we hosted a high school citywide investment challenge.
What's the reaction from the students?
They're so excited, and then there are people that are just learning about what a stock is, and then by interacting with Rapunzl and creating a simulated trading portfolio, it changes their whole perspective on how they view money or even how they identify themselves, shifting more so from a consumer standpoint to an investor and understanding the power of their dollar.
That's one of the reasons why we do the show. There are a lot of adults as well who've never invested in the stock market, and I know it seems really scary, but what are some first steps that people can take?
Well, the first steps, and one of the things that we always talk to the students is really look at the companies that you support on a daily basis. You don't necessarily have to go and reinvent the wheel and find the next unicorn or a company out there. You want to actually support companies that you participate in or that you actually frequent on a daily basis. So that could be any company like a Walgreens, a Nike, a Google's, things that you actually use, and we want to break it down for them and understand that it's not necessarily rocket science, but in addition to that, you also want to do your homework in the sense that you want to understand why you're investing in that company, not just because you buy that product, but because you may have read their annual report and understand that they're coming out with new products or their earnings have been consistent over like a 5-year period or something like that. So you want to have a thesis behind your investment, and that's the first thing that we always tell the students.
Well, great job, and thank you so much, and continued success
to you. Thank you for having me.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show, and don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.